This class we work out 5 problems on RC series circuit. Problem number 1. A 230 volt 50 Hz source supplies a series RC circuit. R is equal to 30 ohms. C is equal to 80 microfarads. Find A, the impedance. B, the current. C, power factor. D, power. E, write expression for instantaneous voltage and instantaneous current. F, voltage across resistor, voltage across capacitor. G, apparent power and reactive power Q. We know that capacitive reactance Xc is equal to 1 by 2 pi F into C. Here frequency is 50. That is equal to 1 by 314 into 80 into 10 power minus 6. That is equal to 39.80 ohms. I know resistance R. R is 30 ohms. I know Xc, that is 39.80. Therefore Z is equal to root of 30 square plus 39.8 square, that is equal to 49.84 ohms. Impedance is 49.84 ohms. I know the voltage 230. I know the impedance. I can find the current. I is equal to 230 by 49.84. That is equal to 4.61 amps. The next is power factor. Power factor cos theta is equal to R by Z. R is given 30. I know Z. Z is equal to 49.84. 30 by 49.84. That is equal to 0.6. Power factor is 0.6. Theta is equal to cos inverse of 0.6. That is equal to 53 degrees. The current is leading by 53 degrees. The next is power. Power P is equal to VI cos theta. Here cos theta is equal to 0.6. V is equal to 230. I is equal to 4.61. Therefore P is equal to 636.18 watts. The next is instantaneous voltage. E is equal to maximum voltage root 2 into 230 into sin omega t. That is equal to 325 sin omega t. Then I is equal to root 2 into 4.61 into sin omega t plus 53.13 degrees. That is equal to 6.52 sin omega t plus 53.13 degrees. This is the expression for instantaneous voltage and instantaneous current. The next is voltage across the resistor and voltage across the capacitor. Voltage across the resistor is equal to I into R. Here I is equal to 4.61. R is 30. That is equal to 138.3 volts. VC is equal to I into XC. I is equal to 4.61. XC is equal to 39.80. That is equal to 183.48 volts. Here V is equal to root of V square, VR square plus VC square. That is equal to 230 volts. The next is I have to find the apparent power. Apparent power S is equal to V into I. 230 into 4.61, that is equal to 1060.3 volt amperes. Reactive power Q is equal to VI sin theta. Here sin 53 is equal to 0.8. 230 into 4.61 into 0.8, that is equal to 848.24 volt ampere reactives. Problem number 2. A voltage 160 plus J 120 volts is applied to a series circuit and the current is minus 8 plus J 20 amps. Find impedance Z, power factor, resistance R, capacitive reactance Xc, capacitance C, apparent power S, real power P and reactive power Q. Frequency is equal to 50 Hz. Here the voltage and the current are in rectangular form. I can convert into a polar form. V is equal to 200 angle 36.87 degrees. I is equal to 21.54 angle 111.80 degrees. I know the voltage, I know the current, I can find impedance. Z is equal to V by I. That is equal to 9.285 angle minus 74.93 degrees. That minus sign indicates the current leads the voltage by 74.93 degrees because it is a capacitive circuit. Here power factor cos theta, here I know theta is equal to 74.93. Cos 74.93 is equal to 0.26. The power factor is leading. Sin 74.93, that is equal to 0.97. I can find the resistance R. R is equal to Z into cos theta. That is equal to 9.285 into 0.26. That is equal to 2.414 ohms. I can find capacitive reactance Xc, that is equal to Z into sin theta, that is equal to 9.285 into 0.97, that is equal to 9 ohms. I can write Z is equal to R minus Jx. That is Z is equal to 2.414 minus J9 ohms. C is equal to 1 by 2 pi F into Xc. I know Xc is equal to 9, that is equal to 1 by 314 into 9, that is equal to 3.54 into 10 power minus 4 farads, or 354 microfarads. Apparent power S is equal to V into I. I know V is equal to 200, I is equal to 21.54, that is equal to 4308 volt amperes. Real power P is equal to VI cos theta, that is equal to 1120.08 watts. Reactive power Q is equal to V into I into sin theta, that is equal to 4178.76 volt ampere reactive. Problem number 3. A series circuit has resistance R and C fed from 230 volt 50 Hz supply. A. Find the value of C so that voltage across R be 120 volts and it absorbs 500 watts. And B. Find the maximum charge in the capacitor. Here voltage drop across the resistor is given 120 volts. P is given 500 watts. P is equal to VR into I into cos theta. Cos theta is equal to 1. Therefore, 500 is equal to 120 into I. I is equal to 500 by 120, that is equal to 4.167 amps. I know the voltage 230 volts, current 4.167. I can find impedance Z is equal to V by I, that is equal to 55.20 ohms. I can find power factor cos theta, that is equal to P divided by VI, that is equal to 500 divided by 230 into 4.167, that is equal to 0.522. Phase angle theta is equal to cos inverse of 0.522, that is equal to 58.53 degrees. Sin 58.53, that is equal to 0.853. R is equal to Z into cos theta. Z is 55.20, cos theta 0.522, that is equal to 28.814 ohms. Capacitive reactance Xc is equal to Z into sin theta. Here Z is 55.20 into 0.853, that is equal to 47.086 ohms. Xc, the capacitive reactance. I can find the capacitance C is equal to 1 by 2 pi F into Xc. 2 pi F is equal to 314. That is equal to 1 by 314 into 47.086. That is equal to 6.76 into 10 power minus 5 farads, or 67.6 microfarads. Capacitance C is 67.6 microfarads. I can find the voltage drop across the capacitor. I into Xc, 4.167 into 47.086, that is equal to 196.21 volts. Here voltage across the resistor is 120, voltage across the capacitor is 196.21. So the supply voltage is 230. 230 is equal to root of 120 square plus 196.21 square, that is equal to 230. The next is, I can find maximum charge, that is equal to root 2 into 196.21. The 196.21 is the RMS. The maximum is root 2 into 196.21 into C. C is 67.6 into 10 power minus 6. That is equal to 0.0188 coulomb. Instantaneous voltage E is equal to root 2 into 230 to 325 into sin omega t. I is equal to root 2 into 4.167, that is equal to 5.893 into sin omega t plus 58.53 degrees. Z is equal to R minus Jx. R is equal to 28.814. R is equal to 28.814 minus Jxc. That is 47.086. This is 47.086. Angle is 58.53 degrees. Here it is a capacitive circuit. Current leads the voltage by 58.53 degree. Here the current, maximum current is 5.893, maximum voltage is 325. Problem number 4. A voltage E is equal to 325 sin omega t is applied to a series RC circuit having R is equal to 25 ohms and C is equal to 100 microfarads. Find capacitive reactance Xc, impedance Z, admittance Y, conductance G, susceptance B, total current I, power factor, apparent power S, real power P and reactive power Q, and also write expression for instantaneous current I. Here V is equal to 325 by root 2, that is equal to 230 angle 0. Capacitive reactance Xc is equal to 1 by 2 pi F into C. Here F is equal to 50. That is equal to 1 by 314 into C. C is given 100 microfarads, 100 into 10 power minus 6. That is equal to 31.83 ohms. It is a capacitive circuit, therefore Z is equal to R minus JXC. R is given 25, that is equal to 25 minus J 31.83. This is in rectangular form. In polar form, 40.47 angle minus 51.85 degrees. In ohms, admittance Y is equal to 1 by Z, that is equal to 0.025 angle 51.85 degrees in Siemens. Y admittance is equal to conductance minus susceptance, G minus JB, that is equal to, this is in polar form, converted to rectangular form, 0.015 plus J 0.02 Siemens. G is equal to 0.015 Siemens, B is equal to 0.02 Siemens. I is equal to V by Z, that is equal to 230 by 40.47 angle 51.85 degrees. Cos 51.85 is equal to 0.62, sin 51.85 is equal to 0.79. That is equal to 5.683 angle 51.85 degrees in polar form. In rectangular form, 3.51 plus J 4.47 amps. Here S is equal to V into I, that is equal to 230 into 5.683, that is equal to 1307.09 volt amperes. P is equal to VI cos theta is equal to 0.62, that is equal to 810.40 watts. Reactive power Q is equal to VI sin theta is equal to 0.79, that is equal to 1032.60 volt ampere reactives. Instantaneous current I is equal to root 2 into I, 5.683 into sin omega t plus 51.85 degrees. That means the current leads the voltage by 51.85 degrees. That is equal to 8.037 sin omega t plus 51.85 degrees. Problem number 5. A series circuit has R is equal to 10 ohms and C is equal to 30 microfarads. At what frequency will the current lead the voltage by 30 degrees? Find apparent power S, real power P and reactive power Q. Supply voltage is equal to 230 volts. Z is equal to R minus JXC. The circuit is capacitive circuit. That is equal to R minus J 1 by omega C. Theta is equal to tan inverse of Xc by R, that is equal to tan inverse of 1 by omega C into R. Here theta is given 30 degrees. Tan 30 is equal to 0.58, that is equal to 1 by 2 pi F into C into R. C is given 30 microfarads, R is given 10, I can find F. F is equal to 915.15 Hertz. I can find capacitive reactance Xc, that is equal to 1 by 2 pi F into C, that is equal to 5.80 ohms. I know the voltage 230 volts and I know the impedance Z. Z is equal to R minus JXC, that is equal to 10 minus J 5.80 in rectangular form. In polar form, 11.56 angle minus 30 degrees. I can find I is equal to V by Z. V is given 230 divided by 11.56 angle minus 30, that is equal to I. Current is 19.90 amps angle 30 degree. That means current lead the voltage by 30 degrees. Or I can find cos theta is equal to R by Z. R is given 10. Z is 11.56, that is equal to 0.865. Theta is equal to cos inverse of 0.865, that is equal to 30 degrees. Sin 30 is equal to 0.5. Apparent power S is equal to V into I. 230 into 19.90, that is equal to 4577 volt amperes. Real power P is equal to VI cos theta. Here cos theta is equal to 0.865. Power P is equal to 3959.11 watts. Reactive power Q is equal to VI sin theta. Sin theta is equal to 0.5. Reactive power Q is equal to 2288.5 volt ampere reactive. With this I conclude my lecture. Thanks for listening.